Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Replit ready on your phone, install the app or open Replit. Com in your mobile browser. Sign in using GitHub, Google, or email. Make sure two-step is enabled if you prefer extra security. Next, tap New REPL, pick the Python template and give it a short, descriptive name. This organizes your work. Once done, glance at the left file panel and open main. Py so you can begin typing the first lines of code. Now you work inside the editor. Type or paste your Python into main. Py, and if you have an external keyboard, connect it for speed. Tap Run to execute. The console appears at the bottom and shows output and errors. To debug, sprinkle print statements or use Python's logging, and wrap risky calls in try/, except so you can surface meaningful messages. Make sure to save often. Replit autosaves, but manual saves help when switching tabs or apps. Finish by persisting and sharing your work. Use Replit's share feature to get a URL or invite collaborators, and commit to Git when version control is enabled. You can also download files to device storage for backup. If something goes wrong, first read the console carefully to find stack traces, then reinstall missing packages using pip, restart the REPL, or clear the browser/app cache. If errors persist, copy the error text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.